Tell me something about yourself that is not in your resume.
Sure. Something you might not see on my resume is that I genuinely enjoy organizing chaos, whether it's cleaning up or digital folders or streamlining task lists. I'm also a fast learner. If there's something I don't know yet, I take the initiative to learn it quickly and independently.
What are your strengths?
My strengths include time management, clear communication, and the ability to adapt quickly to different tasks and tools. I, I like taking ownership of my work without needing constant follow up.
Great to hear. What's your weakness?
To be honest, I can be a little impatient when I see inefficient system or unclear situations. I naturally want to fix things quickly, but I've learned to slow down, understand why things are done in a certain way, and communicate improvement suggestions respectfully.
What made you decide to become a freelancer? If I decide to hire you, what work can you do for me?
I've decided to freelance because I wanted flexibility and growth. I enjoy supporting different businesses and learning from every client. It also gives me space to develop my own brand.
This project requires 40 hours per week. Are you available? What's your schedule like?
I can help with the calendar and email management, online research, data entry, file organization, document creation, and basic content writing. I'm open to learning your system and adapting to your specific needs. Yes, I'm fully
Can you work on
available for
Eastern New
40
York time
hours
zone?
per week. My ideal schedule is Monday to Friday, and I can adjust to your preferred working hours if needed.
Can you work
Yes,
on
I can
Eastern New
adjust
York
to
time
Eastern
zone?
Time. I'm willing to overlap most of hours or at least 4 to 6 hours daily to ensure real-time collaboration. I'm
Are you a
definitely a
team
team
player?
player.
Can you
I
work with teams or
communicate
prefer working
well with
alone?
others, give updates consistently, and love collaborating to hit shared goals. That said, I'm also confident working independently and taking initiative when needed.
What is
My
your long-term
long-term
goal
goal
as a
is to
freelancer?
specialize in executive virtual assistant and operation. I hope to work with long-term clients, build strong system for them, increase my rate as my skills grows, and eventually scale October in a small team. I take negative feedback professionally,
How do
not
you take
personally.
negative feedback?
I actually value it because it helps me grow. I always listen carefully, ask clarifying questions if needed, and use the feedback to improve my work moving forward.